Okay, hey guys, I'm Mikey, and I'm making slime, but if you see, I already put the glue in. So now,
you're going to add the coloring.
I'm putting in the glitter. So, Maddie, can you please get me scissors? Go. Okay, I have the scissors now. I'm going to
do it over the bowl so it doesn't spill. It's going to look cool. Whoa.
Got the glitter.
Oh, and by the way, we have mixing spoon. Oh, and what you'll need is borax activator, water, a bowl, glitter, shaving cream, and glue. We already put in the glue and the glitter. Get your big hand out of the way. Okay, so now you're going to mix.
Yes.
It's going to look really pretty.
Okay.
Oh, and by the way, the color doesn't look as it is on the camera. So it actually looks really cool right now, but on the camera, it's not as cool. Here, you can add another packet if you want.
Okay.
Let's add black. Blue and black.
Okay. I'm adding another color.
Just black, right?
Just black. No, I black isn't that good.
No, it's going to look cool. Can I mix it this time? Oh, it feels good.
It does. Can I mix?
Sure.
Like
get it off the sides, though. That's cool, man. So the next thing, you need to add a little bit of water. Mix. This is not going to make it slimy. So now we're going to add a ton of shaving cream. Okay?
Okay. All of it?
Get this, not all of it, just some of it. Oh, by the way, sorry about that. Now hold it up straight. No, not like that. Okay, be right back, guys.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to stop. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, that's enough. Now mix. Wait, you need a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I'll mix as you.
Tell them to stop.
Okay. Remember, hold it up straight.
Now?
Yeah, stop now.
Can I mix? It's so cool to mix. Okay, so
after you're done mixing and you have a good slime consistency, you pour one at a time of these in.
So I'm mixing?
Borax activator.
Not.
Mix. Soon it'll be touchable. Sorry that I keep pointing it at his shirt. It's just because I need to see in real life and not just on the camera. Again, I did it. Get it off my hands. Thank you. Some of this borax activator. This is when it's going to pull off of the sides. That's the point. Keep mixing, keep mixing.
I can't mix anything because you pick it up.
Mikey, no singing in this video. Okay. Mikey, can we see your face? Some of my friends. Okay, we're going to pause the video. So, he's made the slime. It's really good.
It's not good yet. It's a little bit sticky.
I know. It's okay.
Yeah, fingerling.
It's not a fingerling. Okay, put it down, put it down. Okay, mix.
Can you stop
No, put it down.
Get down, little buddy, or I'll punch you. I think we need to put...
You're aggressive. Oh, I put it in the wire one. Pull it. Okay, we're going to say goodbye.
Bye.
Subscribe to my channel.
And
turn on the bell.
We're going to be making a part 2.
Yeah, we're going to be making a part 2 with balls in it, right?
Yeah, making balls.
Oh, and by the way, I'm Maddie. He's going to be making his own channel soon. And bye-bye.